Think accounting can't go viral? Think again. In this video, we're dropping some awesome social media content ideas for accountants and showing you how AI can help you whip up social media captions faster than you can say balance sheet. Get ready to make your social posts the talk of the tax season. Let's get counting on some views. Create a financial planning checklist for the year ahead. Share an interesting financial news article and provide your thoughts on it. Offer tax tips for small business owners. Share your experience with a challenging tax case you worked on. Highlight a client's success story and how you helped them with their finances. Offer advice on budgeting for a big life event, such as a wedding or home purchase. Share your favorite financial apps or tools. Provide a breakdown of a complex financial topic, such as retirement planning. Highlight a common tax deduction people often overlook. Share a motivational quote related to financial success. Offer tips for managing finances during a crisis. Share an infographic on the benefits of investing in a particular type of retirement account. Offer advice on preparing for tax season. Share your favorite financial book or podcast. Provide insight into how tax laws are changing and what it means for your clients. Share a story of a time when you had to navigate a difficult financial situation. Highlight a common financial mistake and how to avoid it. Offer advice on saving for college. Share a success story of a client who achieved their financial goals. Provide insight into how to negotiate a raise or promotion. Offer tips on how to create a budget that works for you. Share your thoughts on the current state of the economy. Provide guidance on how to build an emergency fund. Share a story of a time when you helped a client through a tough financial situation. Highlight the benefits of working with a financial advisor. Offer advice on how to make wise investment decisions. Share a story of a client who made a financial mistake and how you helped them recover. Provide guidance on how to prepare for retirement. Offer tips on how to reduce debt. Share an inspirational story of someone who achieved financial success against all odds. Highlight the benefits of using a financial planner. Offer advice on how to create a business plan. Share your thoughts on a new financial trend. Provide guidance on how to get out of debt. Offer tips on how to improve your credit score. Share a story of a client who achieved financial freedom and how you helped them get there. Highlight the benefits of diversifying your investments. Offer advice on how to create a financial plan. Share a motivational story of someone who overcame financial struggles. Provide guidance on how to save for a down payment on a house. Offer tips on how to start investing in the stock market. Share a story of a client who achieved a financial goal, such as paying off their mortgage. Highlight the benefits of creating a personal budget. Offer advice on how to handle a financial crisis. Share your thoughts on the best ways to save for retirement. Check out the accounting social media ideas in the video description. Let's now have a look at how you can use our AI social media tools to really create awesome campaigns better and faster than ever before.
Let us see how AI can help you create effective social media posts. Spark creativity with the various social media post generators. We're going to look at social media captions, images, video scripts, repurposing, and blog to social generator. Let's start with the social media caption generator. Head over to Storylab AI and select a social caption generator. Select a social platform, describe your post, and choose a style. Not bad, right? AI can spark creativity within seconds. Run the AI tool a couple of times and create a list of potential social media posts. Now let's create some cool images for the social media posts. Describe what the image should look like. Select a style and let AI work its magic. You can leave the style empty and add your unique style in the image prompt. If you want to engage your audience with a video post, use the social media video script generator. Enter a couple of details about the video and let AI come up with an engaging video script, perfect for a video post. All you have to do is record the video and post it with the caption you created earlier. Now let's see how the social media repurposing generator works. Simply copy, paste the copy of an existing social media post. Describe how you want to spice up your post and get 3 new variations within seconds. Now, let's see how you can create up to 25 social media captions based on an existing blog post. Copy and paste the text from your blog post. Select a social media channel and writing style. The blog to social generator will come up with 25 social media captions based on 5 topics. Pretty cool, right? Set up your Storylab AI account and get started with the social media post generators. Don't simply copy/paste ideas and press the publish button. Use AI to spark creativity, but always add your unique style and engage your audience. Subscribe to stay up to date with the latest content creation tips.